what comes to your mind when you think of a Porsche? Is it the 911, the iconic 911, or is it the Cayenne, or is it the beautiful poster of a red color car next to the Marilyn Monroe posters that we all used to have when we were growing up as boys? Today, ladies and gentlemen, we have the all-new Macan, extremely powerful, extremely capable, very beautiful, I would say sexy, and now very affordable. Let's get inside the Macan and hit the roads and see what the Macan has to offer. What I'm driving right now is the Porsche Macan, which is a 2-liter petrol engine. Of course, Porsche stopped making diesel engines for all its cars. But if you have to buy, I would say that you should go for Macan S, which is about 15 lakhs more, but that's got 480 Nm of torque. It's got a 3-liter V6 dual power engine. It's capable of doing a 0 to 100 in 5.6 seconds. Of course, this can also do in about 6.8 seconds or something. But that thrill, that power of a 3-liter engine is unmatched. And when you cramp that in a body of Porsche, it is just going to fly like how. If you are someone who's going to drive it in a city like Bombay or Bangalore, where if you get to drive also is a great thing, then a 2-liter will do the work. Of course, it's 15 lakhs cheaper. You can throw in a Creta or a Seltos for somebody. Having said that, it's an extremely capable car. What I see here right now, the controls here in front of me are very much in place. I feel like in control. The 10.9-inch screen is very well lit. It's got that Porsche thing about it, and of course the emblem, the size. It's a driver's car. If you're going to sit behind the car and check it out, it's not going to really make sense. So I'll show you how it looks. So that's what I meant. I have long legs. I'm a 5'10" kind of a guy, and it's decent, but you feel cramped. You feel cramped inside a car. It's definitely not something that you're looking. Third person, forget it. Even if it's your full-size kid, you can't fit in. And of course, since it's a all-wheel drive, you have this bunched up back, which definitely gives it a space where you really can't sit. So I would say the leg room, and if you see, there's nothing here to keep your magazines or to keep anything over here, which makes sense because if you keep here, it only distracts people. This car, let me see if it goes back. No, it doesn't go back. So that's it, guys. It's not something that you would like to get driven by, but definitely something that you can drive by. Let's check out the bonnet. The bonnet is easy to open. It's got a slider which you just slide left and it goes up. And what you see inside the hood is a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol engine. It produces 248 PS of peak power, and of course it's got 370 Nm of torque. Like the Macan S, it also comes with a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox, and this beast can do 0 to 100 in 6.7 seconds. But the Macan S can do it in 5.5 seconds. There's a difference of 1 second. That's why you pay all the money and the thrill. So it looks completely neat. It looks very, you see the silver foil here. It makes it look, I don't know why the silver foil is there, but it's to absorb the heat. But the idea is that you fell in love with the bonnet, don't you? What I like about the car is a very good shape, because for a city drive, it's perfect. Now let's check out the boot. When you see the boot here, it's a full-size boot. You can actually go for off-roading and keep a lot of stuff here. It's definitely enough to keep your one big cabin baggage, one big briefcase, and you can fit in, you can also sit in, you can do everything that you can think of doing. If you're going for off-roading, you can pack your kids here, keep it open. That's a bad idea. Anyways, so coming back to, so it's got the tray which you can actually slide your magazines inside, and that's how the back looks like. Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, it's beautiful. Isn't it very gorgeous? For the keen-eyed, you see the more aggressive and sportier grille. It gives it that imposing feeling. Of course, it's an all LED tail light, headlight, and it's got the air dams very in, so that the pickup and everything is perfect. Overall, it looks from front, it can be mistaken for a Cayenne. I would say, yeah, unless somebody goes back, it looks very much like a proper Porsche Cayenne. It's imposing. It's also good size so that it can fit into your small parking spaces. At the same time, it speaks about the statement. It's a Porsche. That's it guys, that was the all new Porsche Macan. If you liked the video, do subscribe. Let me end this on a very small story. If you're on YouTube, which you are, search for a video of Porsche 911. There's a small child in Germany which goes to a Porsche showroom and he takes a hard look at the car, sits inside, gets the feel of the car, goes to the driving seat. The sales manager all this while is giving him all the respect. Then he gets off the car, the sales manager gives him the visiting card. The boy takes the visiting card and says, I will come back and see you in 20 years. Yes, that's how these inspirations are built. They inspire you to work hard, get that thing, get your mojo up so that you can be in a position to drive this. For the time being, I'll leave you with this thought. For the time being, this goes back to where it came from. This goes back to me because that's mine and that's also Porsche. So until then, drive safe and have a good time.